something fun that you could do for Halloween. It's called double chocolate cake cookies. I'm going to follow the cake cookie recipe. I'm going to do my own icing and my own sprinkles and all that. I'm not going to follow the frosting recipe on the recipe that's listed below. You are welcome to do that, but I'm not going to do that today. This is going to be an easy shortcut way to do the same thing. So you need to get a mixing bowl, and you need to combine your cake mix, which is Devil's Food. 2 beaten eggs, 1/3 of a cup of some sort of cooking oil. I would prefer you use either vegetable or canola, because I don't know what it would do with anything else. Teaspoon or so of vanilla, and we need a teaspoon of baking powder. Of chocolate chips. Stir those in. What you need to do now is chill this dough for about half an hour, because we're going to have to roll it into balls before we bake it. Alright, I'll see you back here in half an hour. Okay, so the dough has been in the fridge for a half hour, but it is still soft. So I'm just going to try to lightly roll it into balls. It doesn't say flatten it out, so you know what? If you have a cookie scoop, that would probably be a good thing right about now. I'm just going to try to do the best I can without making a huge mess. I'm going to put on this one, because I'm not sure how far they're going to puff up. And then I'll be back here in about 10 minutes. Okay, that's it for the cake mix cookies. They were really easy, really simple, and you can just get regular store-bought icing and ice them. Really, really easy and fun for Halloween. See you next time.